when we designed this, we had in mind that we would shoot from the target, not to the target, which makes it a lot easier. So we'll be shooting from a target to a much broader target.
The basement, we had to put our basement buddy drill in that excavation and drill from that point out. We had 2% of fall to know where that drill bit is at all times, and we just monitor it. And if there's a correction to the coordinates that we have to make, then we do so from the drill, so the operator can change its course from the drill.
Once it's through and it's on line and grade and we're happy with that shot, then we just retract it and pull a cable in. In this case, we pull a cable in because we use the R2 system to upsize that hole and simultaneously pull in the brand new HDPE pipe. If we were doing a water line, we would simply just retract the rods and pull the water line in place. It's just a backward step of putting the rods in and just pulling the rods backwards and retracting them 1 meter at a time.
All done with pulling all the drill stem back out of the drill shaft, there will be a cable inserted in its place.
The R2 is a pipe bursting system that can work in conjunction with the basement buddy. It is designed to go through an old pipe and break the old pipe and pull in a brand new pipe simultaneously. In this case, we're just going through a gopher hole we created with our drill, and we're doing basically the same thing. However, we just don't have a hose pipe to work with originally, so we have to create that path with the drill. The head locks to the cable, and the head also locks to the back of the pipe. The R2 has a 30-ton rating. However, in this case, we will only use about 2 tons. It's connected to an expansion head that will change that gopher hole from a 3.5-inch hole to 5 3/4 inch hole. It pulls it 6 inches at a time. The ram erects, grabs the cable, then it recovers and grabs another 6 inches, and this is a continuous process until the head is pulled into the chassis. Once the pipe is through, then we just remove the R2 system, cut the pipe off at the alleyway, and then we commission the line. Well, in this case here, we simply just hook it up to PVC and plumb it in. It's just standard plumbing at this point.